Here are 5 useful tips to remember when you go live on HelloTalk. Tip number 1, always keep your camera on. The system will actually close your live event if your camera is off for too long, as well as it's less engaging when your camera's off.
Tip number 2 for better lives. Always keep closed captions on. Captions are super powerful and a helpful tool for language learners to better understand the content in your live. Tip number 3. When you have someone on stage with you, it's sometimes a good idea to turn off photo sharing or whiteboard so the audience can see the expressions of the people on stage. Tip number 4. A great way to stay organized during your live is to set someone as a moderator. They can help you engage with the audience and keep your live on track. Tip number 5, and the last tip of this video. When you're ready to end the event, make sure you end the event and not exit the event, so others aren't still in the room even after you've gone.